show that the relation R defined in the set A of all triangles as the following is equivalent relation. So we have to prove that it's an equivalent relation wherein we have T1 and T2. Let me write it as given itself. So the relation over here is defined as pair of order pair, not pair of order pair, T1 and T2, where T1 is similar to T2. And where does T1 and T2 come from? T1, T2 belong to A, right? And A is set of all triangles. Set of all triangles. Quite simple actually. First one is, since they're given a test to be equivalent, so you don't have to think any much. Just write reflexive and tell as a triangle is similar. Actually they're congruent, but all congruent triangles are similar to itself. T1 or T comma T or T1 comma T1 will belong to R, and T1 is part of set A, therefore A is reflexive, not A, R is reflexive. Next we're looking at symmetric. I was thinking of transitive. We'll do symmetric first. Actually any order is okay. Now we'll let T1 comma T2 belong to R, where T1 T2 belongs to A. From this I can infer that T1 is similar to T2. Therefore T2 also has to be similar to T1. And so what do we have? We have, just a second, we have not this, T2 comma T1 also belonging to R, and from this I can infer that R is symmetric. Next we have let T1 T2 and T2 T3 belong to R. Okay, so from this what can I infer? From this I can infer that T1 is similar to T2, T2 is similar to T3. Of course from this I can tell T1 should be similar to T3, right? And with this what can I tell? T1 comma T3 belongs to R, right? And so from this I can infer that R is transitive. All in all, R is equivalent. Now simple and direct question, what do we have over here? Consider three right angle triangle with this as their sides. Which triangles among T1, T2, T3 are related? So it's quite simple. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10. Clearly 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 10 are the ones which are related. Triangle T1 and T2, T3 are related as 3 by 6 will be equal to 4 by 8, and that will be equal to 5 by 10. They satisfy SSS similarity criteria. Okay, so actually a very simple question.